Quantitative Techniques for Economics, Session 23. Dear student, stages in statistical investigation. Learning objective. To enable the students to get knowledge about the stages of statistical investigations. Different stages of statistical investigation. Recap. Last class we have discussed about the future or characteristics of statistics. Okay, dear students, today's class will be discuss about the stages of statistical investigations. Stages of statistical investigations. The first one, collections of data, organizations of data, presentation of data, data analysis, interpretations of data. Let's listen. Collections of data. The first one is, dear students, statistical should be collected, analyzed, interpreted and used, and a collection conclusions of the reached through them. This is called statistical investigation. This involves of number of stages. The first one is collections of data. Collections of data is the first stage in statistical investigations. Investigator or collector may himself collect the data by making field visit and contracting the individual or through published books and records. The second one, organizations of data. Yes, the data of collections collected from books and records will be in a organized from, but the primary statistics, that is the data in organizing mass of data is editing. The next step after editing is a classifications, and the last step in organizations of data, tabulation. Third point is the presentation of data. The collections of data should be presented in appropriate form, only then it can be understood easily and can be subjected to statistical treatment. The data can be presented in the following forms: statistical tables, diagrams, graphs, etc. The data analysis. The collections of data should be analyzed by adapting various of statistical method and techniques. Some of the importance of statistical methods or measures of variations of correlations, etc. Only when the data are analyzed they give correct picture. Last one, interpretations. Yes, is interpretations means the drawing of consolidations from the data collected of analyze. It is the final step in statistical investigation. Interpretations is a difficult task. It requires high degrees of skill, carry judgment and objectives. If the interpretations is not done properly, the consolidations will be drawn and the whole objective investigations is lost of the interpretations of is done. The properly investigations can arrive at correct and